In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages between spaces in Confluence. If you're reorganizing your workspace or consolidating content, moving a page is quick and safe when you know where to click. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page you want to move. Make sure you're looking at the page itself, not just its listing in the space sidebar. It also helps to confirm that you're signed in with an account that can edit the page and has permissions in both the current space and the destination space. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the 3-dot More Actions menu. Click those dots and choose Move. This opens the Move Page window, where you'll tell Confluence exactly where the page should live. In the destination area, pick the new space from the list. Then choose where inside that space the page should go. If you have a specific parent page, select it so your page sits neatly within that section. If you want it at the top level of the new space, simply leave the parent blank so it becomes a root page. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the placement. Confluence shows you where the page will land, and any child pages will come along automatically. That means whole page trees can be relocated in a single move. Internal links usually update on their own, which helps preserve navigation after the move. By the way, I've placed the official Confluence website link right at the top of the description so you can sign in or learn more. No hunting required. When everything looks right, click Move. Confluence will handle the relocation and carry over the children beneath the parent page you selected. For larger page trees, give it a moment to finish. Finally, head to the destination space to verify the result. Check that the page appears where you expected, and open it to confirm the breadcrumb path and sidebar location are correct. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or expand the correct section of the sidebar. If the move option wasn't available earlier, or you hit a permission message, you'll need access in both spaces. Reach out to your space administrator to get that sorted. That's all there is to it. You've successfully moved the page between spaces in Confluence while keeping your structure intact. Thanks for watching.